welcome back to another video that is an unboxing video, and today we're gonna unbox the Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So it comes in a really cute red color box, and this red reminds me of a Chinese New Year, I think they had. I mean, that's the theme, I believe. And it says it's the limited edition. So let's get started. So this is how it comes in a box like this. And let's go ahead and open it. So that's the shade. It's the Fire Highlighter. That's the name of the highlighter shade. So if you can look at it closely, there's a rainbow shade that comes. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but it is like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. So that's right there, and let me swatch it on the hand. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It would look very beautiful if you have your complete makeup on. It will give a really enhancing look. So that's that, and if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care everyone, stay safe.